Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. The topic of this video is The Rape of Loch as a Mock Epic Poem. Let's start. Rape of the Loch as a Mock Epic. The Rape of Loch is a universally recognized mock epic, or mock heroic poem, composed by a very talented poet and translator of the neoclassical age Alexander Pope. Alexander Pope is a great satirist of the 18th century along with John Dryden. He is a great satirist who has got the excellent skill of using the heroic couplet in his poems. A mock epic or mock heroic poem is a kind of narrative poem which deals with a very trivial theme in a lofty, sublime and grand style to satirize ridiculing and transformation. It is considered to be a parody of the epic. Now, let's discuss the poem as a mock epic. First, an epic always begins with an invocation. The theme of the poem is also pointed out in the invocation. This poem, The Rape of the Loch, also begins with the invocation, and the theme is also suggested in the invocation. As in these lines, say, what strange motive, goddess, could compel a well-bred lord to assault a gentle belle? A second important point which makes the poem a mock epic is its title. We know that rape is a very serious and alarming crime in which the chastity of a woman is violated by force, but Pope has used this term in an amusing manner. The title evokes nothing but fosters mock heroic sensation. Insofar as the action of the poem is concerned, it opens in a mock heroic manner with the awakening of Belinda. She is portrayed as the goddess of beauty. Her beauty outshines the sun which peeps through the white curtains of Belinda's room. Saw through white curtains shot a timorous ray, and opened those eyes that must eclipse the day. Fourth mock epic element is the comparison between Belinda's dressing and the arming of an epic warrior like Achilles. She dresses herself and uses cosmetics to kill her followers with her beauty. Lines from poem. Now awful beauty puts on all its arms. The fair each moment rises in her charms. Sees by degrees a purer blush arise, and keener lightning quicken in her eyes. The fifth important feature of an epic is that an epic contains episodes also. The sixth feature of an epic is the use of supernatural machinery, which in epics controls the affairs of human beings. Therefore, Pope has also introduced machinery in the poem. The gods of the epics are heroic while Pope's machinery is tiny. Another mock epic element is the coffee party, which is a parody of meals discussed in Homer. Belinda screams after the cutting of the lock in the following words: restore the lock, restore the lock. Her screaming reminds us the screams of Homeric heroes.